Model, 2012 Volkswagen Transporter T28 short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 TDI 84PS van non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148,714. MOT, 7 February 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 84PSA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, timing belt has snapped, engine will need repairing or replacing. Well worth putting in the time to get this back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,825. Click the link